What? Let's see. Okay, now. Oh! Okay.
Is the Ewin Flash XL gaming chair worth buying? What's up, gamers? Today I am going to do a review of the Ewin Flash XL big and tall gaming chair. Now, if you're a gamer or someone who spends lots of hours sitting in front of a computer, you know how important it is to have a comfortable chair that also looks good on your live stream. See if it checks all the marks and if it's worth your investment. The Flash XL gaming chair is designed to provide maximum comfort and support to your body. The chair is made of high quality materials, including a steel frame and a high density foam cushion that offers excellent lumbar and neck support. The chair comes in various colors, including black and my favorite, the flashy gold, that allows you to choose the one that matches your personal setup. Now, the PU leather feels really good. It is definitely a step above the traditional faux leather of other gaming chairs. And when choosing a chair, do pay attention to the seat design, as they vary and may not suit your body type as well as others. I made that mistake with the gold chair, and is why I now have the black version. Its seat is flat and you don't have to worry about the bolsters poking you in your legs. Now let's move on to the most crucial aspect of the chair, comfort. The Ewin Flash XL gaming chair offers excellent comfort. The high density cold core foam cushioning on the seat and backrest is soft and comfortable. And the lumbar and neck support pillows are adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect position for your body. Now, personally, for me, I don't necessarily like the pillow that you would use for lumbar support. The one that you use for your head, it's not such a big deal, but I prefer to have my back flat against the whole chair. But it does provide enough comfort to allow me to play games well over 3 hours without any discomfort, which was something I was concerned with. The chair can recline up to 155 degrees. If you choose, you can use that for a quick nap, or if you just want to lie back and enjoy some quiet time, this chair allows you to do that. The Ewin Flash XL gaming chair is not just comfortable, but it's also functional. The chair features a 4D adjustable armrest that can be adjusted in any direction, making it easy for you to find a comfortable position for your arms while gaming. I found the adjustments to be beneficial and will suit pretty much anyone. My only gripe is that I wish there was a way to lock the armrest rotation if you wanted to. With that said, they do stay where you set them for the most part. The chair also comes with a Class 4 gas lift that can support up to 550 pounds, which is the most I've seen in a gaming chair. After 6 months of near continuous use, our gold chair operates like it was brand new. Now let's talk about the assembly of the chair. The Ewin Flash XL gaming chair comes with all the necessary tools and hardware to assemble the chair. It actually comes with extras in the event that you lose one. The assembly process is pretty straightforward and can be done in about 20 to 30 minutes. The instruction manual is clear and concise, making it easy for you to follow the steps. Just make sure you pay attention to the arrows, as the directions are not laid out right to left, top to bottom. Also, be careful when attaching the back to the seat. This is probably the most difficult part of the assembly and is best done with two people. I found using the box that it came in as a table to work quite well. So the chair is priced around $499, which may seem expensive, but when you consider the features and the build quality, I think it is worth the investment. There is a lot of value for the price with this chair. So, is the Ewin Flash XL gaming chair worth buying? Absolutely. The chair offers excellent comfort, support, and functionality, making it a perfect choice for gamers or anyone who spends long hours sitting in front of a computer. The chair is well built and comes with a 2-year warranty, which gives you some peace of mind. Listen, I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, listen, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for notifications, and you'll know how I have a video that goes live. Also, down in the description, there will be a discount code. Make sure you use the discount code. That'll give you 20% off of your purchase of your next Ewin chair. Also, I want to thank Ewin for sending me the Flash XL gaming chair. This video is sponsored by Ewin, so I just wanted to put that out there. Also, we'll provide links below where you can get the Flash XL chair, as well as any other Ewin chair or gaming desk that they have available. So again, thank you, Ewin, for sponsoring this video.